exercises? Yeah, shall we do it now?
Okay, teacher.
Right, this one. We did 98 point 8. Yeah, 98.2 we didn't do, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, let's do 98.2. Yeah, hi Javindu. Javindu, were you there last week?
No, teacher.
No. Were you able to check the recording or check with your akka? But doesn't matter. Even though, although, right? That means එහෙම වුණත්, එයා අසනීප වුණත්, even though, even though, although, though is like very formal, spoken English, right? Although mean, right? Although mean formal, like ලියන භාෂාව, spoken English. එහෙම වුණත්, although Javindu was sick, he went for cricket practices, right? Even though we use for very strong idea, right? Even though it was raining, we went to, they went for a walk. Basically, although, even though, the meaning of these three words are same, right? That's what we did last week. Okay, let's do 98.2 now. Everybody. Chameli, were you able to do 98.2?
No, teacher.
Okay, right. Let's do it now, 98.2. So, Sandaru was there last week, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's do 98.2. Javindu, here sometimes you have to choose even if. Even if mean, even though mean එහෙම වුණත්. වැස්ස වුණත්, even though it was raining, Javindu went for cricket practices. Even if mean like future, right? Even if it will rain, she will come. Our teacher will come to class, even if it will rain. Something like that. We used to talk about future, even if, right? Javindu, did you understand? Terunada?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Just quickly do 98.2. I think 7 minutes enough.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah. Chameli?
Teacher, we did that last week.
Last week we did that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, then we have to do 98.3 and 98.4, right? Okay, 98.
We did teacher 99.3.
0.3 also we did. Then no problem. Right, then basically basic exercises we have done. So let's start on a new lesson, relative clauses, right? That's they expect you to write relative clauses in your O-level exam in the essay. There's a connected sentences, that means using these relative clauses. Okay. Before that, before we go to the tutorial, I sent you the tutorial in your group. Before that, I want you to do this exercise. Right. You don't have to write. Define the followings. School. If I ask you, what's a school? How would you answer? Avindu? If I ask you, school.
School is a place which teach us.
Okay, right. Javindu, how would you answer? What's a school? ස්කෝලයක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද?
School is a place which teach, which study us by teachers.
Okay, right. Chameli?
A school is a place where teachers teach students.
Sandaru? Sandaru?
A school is a place for learning and studying subjects like maths, science,
Right, okay.
and giving knowledge to students.
Right. Okay, good. Now, Sandaru's sentence is a bit different. School is a place. Okay, let's summarize. The school is a place, right? And it educates children. Or you can say it gives formal education. It gives formal නිසි අධ්‍යාපනය. It gives formal education to children of a certain area or country, right? Of children, education to children, right? Okay, this is the basic, right? Okay, now if we write like this, the school is a place. It gives formal education. This is like a baby, right? School is a place. It gives formal education. Okay, this is right. 2 sentences. This is right. Right. But for your age, like this is good for a grade 5 student. For your place, your level, we expect, like generally people say it in one sentence. Okay. Now, we want to make this, now there are 2 sentences. We want to make this one sentence, right? So when you make these 2 sentences, one sentence, we have to apply relative clauses. Right. Now here, now we want to, this is blue, green, red. This is blue, right? Now School is now in relative clauses we have 4 words like nouns. Nouns are living beings. We describe nouns. Living beings. Now here school is a place. We are going to describe it. Further describe. So we describe nouns. Nouns are living beings, tangible things, intangible, alliya හැකි දේවල්, alliya නොහැකි දේවල්. Tangible, intangible things, places, and names of activities. Names of activities also we can consider as things, right? Intangible things. So to describe these nouns, when you connect 2 sentences, we have to living beings, we have who. Tangible things, we have which. Intangible also, we have which. Places, we have where. And we have which because it's a thing, right? Okay, right. So now here, this is a place. So we take where. School is a place where. Now this is these 2 sentences are connected, right? So now you don't want the subject of the next sentence. So we can say school is a place where now that's a good thing, right? Now can we say school is a place where gives formal education to children? It's better to say where children are given formal education. Or where we'll take your sentence where children learn subjects, right? That one is bit advanced. We'll come to it, right? School is a place where children learn subjects. Okay. School is a place. Now let's get gives formal education. Here it's more appropriate. School is a place which gives formal education. Right? Both are correct. Generally, where gives formal education, it doesn't fit in, right? You can say which gives. So no it. Subject of this, which gives formal education. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
If you give something, generally it should be a thing. So which gives, right? If you talk about a place with where school is a player where people come and learn like that. Okay. Right. Okay. So gives, which gives. Gives by which gives. So we don't want it again, subject, right? Here the subject is children. children come and learn. Okay, we'll practice it. Protein. Okay, now write the topic relative clauses. Okay. Can right? Done?
Done, teacher.
Done. Okay. Now define the word protein like this. Protein is a nutrient, right? And it helps build our muscles and cells. Okay. Now, can you put them in one sentence? Okay, write these two sentences and put it in one sentence using relative clauses.
Protein is a nutrient which helps build our muscle and cells.
Very good. Jamindu?
Protein is a nutrient which help build our muscles and cells.
Very good. Chameli?
Same one, teacher.
Sandaru, same? Right. Okay. So, yes, right. Now we want to connect these two, red side and blue side. Right. Now we want to connect these. So, nutrient mean a thing which, now we don't want the subject because helps, which helps, nutrient helps, right? This verb refers the subject of this verb is nutrient. So nutrient which helps build our muscles and cells. Right, good. Next one, cardiologist is a specialized doctor he treats heart patient people with heart problems. If you're done, tell me.
Done, teacher.
Right. Javindu? Yes, Javindu. Very good.
Cardiologist is a specialized doctor who treats people with heart issues.
Right. Cardiologist is a specialized doctor who treats people with heart problems. Right. Okay, now here, like this. Now we can say this same sentence another way. You can say cardiologist who is a specialized doctor treats people with heart problems. Like for a better one, Nimal who always comes late to class is a is a uh, is a student from Colombo. Like that. අර හැමදාම පරක්කු වෙලා එන නිමල් කොළඹ ඉන්න ළමයෙක්. So it depends on how you want to say, right? So this is also correct. Like Nimal always comes late to class. He is a student from Kalam. So you can also say like this. Nimal who always comes late to school. You can mention the word, the relative clause here. Nimal who. Then mention always comes late to class is a student from Kalam. Now here relative clauses are like it's a vast area. So actually I can teach you the theory, but sometimes like it doesn't work according to the theory. I can say, okay, you can also say like this and you can also say like that. But it like some sentences, this method is the best. Like this method. Some sentences, this method is the best. So it depends on you have to practice it. That's where you have to practice it. Like mostly like who is a student. Nimal is a doctor who treats like cardiologist is a doctor who treats heart problems. There it matches, but sometimes you have to change. So that's why I taught you both methods. Let's see, right? You have to do a lot of exercises, then you will learn. Okay, let's write both sentences. Don't write this too, right? Right? Okay, did you write? Okay, done. Did you write this? Children?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Now next sentence is this. Right? A
Teacher, is
man.
this correct?
Yeah, tell
Uh,
me.
the man who is wearing a cap is uprooting some plants.
Very good. Yes. The man. Then a man becomes the man here. Because මනුස්සෙක්. මනුස්සෙක් කැප් එකක් දාගෙන ඉන්නවා. එයා පැල වගයක් උගුල්ලනවා. මුලෙන් ගලවනවා. So you say, ඔයා when you connect, you say කැප් එකක් දාගෙන ඉන්න මනුස්සයා. එතනදී අපි කියන්නේ we say මනුස්සයෙක් නෙමෙයි මනුස්සයා. කැප් එකක් දාගෙන ඉන්න මනුස්සයා පැල වගයක් ගලවනවා. The man who is wearing a cap is uprooting some plants. Very good. Javindu, next one this, number 5 is this. Javindu and Chameli, number 4. Sandaru?
Teacher, can I?
Yes, Chameli.
The man who is wearing a cap is uprooting some plants.
Right. Okay. You can do number 5. Sandaru and Javindu?
The man who is who is wearing a cap uprooting some plants.
Right. Good. You can do number 5. Sandaru? You can tell me if you're done. Let's do one by one. Yeah, Avindu done. Javindu, number 5.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, Avindu.
Some drugs which are used for cholesterol aren't good for kidney health.
Very good. Very good. You can do number 6. Javindu, Chameli, Sandaru.
Same answer, teacher.
Same marks. Right. Javindu.
Same answer, teacher.
Right. Okay. Sandaru. Number 6.
I done, teacher.
Yeah. Okay. Avindu, very good. You are fast.
Mrs. Jayasekara, who is an experienced teacher, teaches O-level students.
11 teachers. Huh? We pronounce it teachers. Very good. Javindu, Chameli, Sandaru.
Same
Done.
answer, teacher.
Same answer. Good. Sandaru.
Same answer.
Right. Okay. Number 7.
Done, teacher.
Right. Yes. Number 7. Chameli.
Mona Lisa is a famous painting which was done by Leonardo da Vinci.
Right. Good. Avindu, Javindu, Sandaru.
Same answer, teacher.
Same answer. Sandaru.
Same answer.
Same. Avindu, you can do number 8.
Done, teacher.
Right. Okay. Number 8.
The police found some information about the man who had done the robbery at a shop in Vallon.
Avidu?
Same answer, teacher.
Javindu?
Same answer, teacher.
Very good. Now you understand here we mention Mona Lisa, which is a famous painting, was done by, right? You put the relative clauses at the beginning and connected. Now here you can't do that because we are discussing, we are describing the man. So the relative clause should come near the man who had done. Very good. And now you understand. Number 9.
I done, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Amindu?
The government approved the plan, which is to expand the Colombo Fort railway station.
Good. Good. Right. Javindu?
Same, teacher.
Same. Chameli?
Same one.
Yeah. Sandaru? And you can go to next one, number 10.
Done, teacher.
Yeah. Good. Yes. Javindu?
Police arrested a former minister who was involved in some allegations.
Okay, allegations mean alles chodana, dushana chodana. Right, very good. Very good. Okay, police arrested a former minister who was involved. The relative clause should come near the word we are going to describe. Right, good. Now I'll give you some Sinhala sentences, Sinhala ideas. You translate it into English, right? We have less than a minute for this session. Let's go offline, come back, and I'll give you Sinhala sentences. Sandaru, did you write?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, what's your answer?
Same one, teacher.
Same. Can you read? Police